Hey, good morning. It is March 4th. Clearing the March already. Wow. Crazy. Let's see what's going on in the market. I don't think we've been together since Friday. So let me get this stuff straightened out here. And so today, got a condo on the market here. 1,227 square feet, 175,000. Wow. There's a one-car garage. Pretty nice and clean. Yep, looks like it's just been refurbished. Nice looking. Upstairs. Okay, so that's the lowest priced today. And Torrey Pines is right over Lake Mead and Torrey Pines, okay, in the upper part of the Spring Valley. Okay, there's that one. And the highest priced one today is single family home, 2-story, 668.5. 5 bedrooms, 2 baths, no pool or spa. Okay. Nice and clean, shows well, upgraded. Nice loft. Anything good in the backyard here? Let's see what kind of landscaping they have. Okay, well, they got this nice covered patio back there. These nice sliders. Well, that's a nice big wide set of windows there. I like that. Looks like it probably opens up the whole thing. Pretty close to it. Some nice turf out there. That's enjoyable. Summerlin, okay, Paseo Park. Okay, Messino. Fox Hill. Okay, over on the far side over there. Okay. Then Sunday. 129.5, 2 bedroom, 2 bath condo. Look, a nice clean complex. Pretty clean unit too. Looks good. Upstairs. Off of Boulder Highway in Hacienda. Okay. It's good place. Okay, let's go down here. A lot of new listings on Sunday. There's a 1-story, 3,600 square foot house, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, no pool or spa, brand new. Okay. Great picture. Okay, that looks good. So it looks like they just finished this and sold it. Warm Springs and Valley View. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so we've got Saturday here. That is out of the area. Go with this one right here, Billman, 1-story, 1,300 square feet. 118,000. Has to be a rough. Oh yeah, look at all those postings. Looks like a foreclosure or something. They have any, yeah, look at that. Wow, pretty messed up. Somebody's gonna refurbish it and flip it probably. Looks like they put a new dishwasher in. That's kind of a waste. Yeah, pretty rough house. Nice lot though. So what do we have here? Yep. Bank owned. is on the market. Just came on the market. Okay. All right. That's right. We're looking at new listings here. And then we have 1,150,000, 4,800 square feet, pool and spa. Sounds like fun. Nice house, lots of garages, corner lot, nice staircase, nice looking house. Yeah, very nice. I like that office back there. Nice kitchen. Looking pretty good. 1,150,000, huh? Looks like it's a fairly nice buy. No covered patio. That's odd. I guess there is one right there. Okay. Yeah, small one with the area to cook. Okay, and this little guy is right over here on Town Center in Havenwood. Okay, over in Summerlin area. Okay, then looks like let's see, Friday. What was it? Sunday, yeah, Friday, Thursday, Friday or Saturday, I get confused on the days. Manufactured home out of that area. Here's a $70,000 condo, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Okay. Twain in Paradise. Nice area. And a lot of listings this weekend. $5.5 million, 9,600 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 7 baths, 6 car garage, pool, spa. Oh yeah, a lot of house there. Theater room, it's brand new, it looks like. Yep, brand new, 2018. Southern Highlands area. All right, well, that's that. Let's see what we got cooking here over under contract. 387. Wow, that thing just goes up and down quite a bit. 282 sold. Let's see if anything is sold in the last couple of days over $1 million. We're looking at 750,000. No luxury properties in the last couple of days. Here's one on Friday. 1 story, 4,000 square foot. That's about it. Okay, well, it's almost 10 minutes, so we are going to have to look at some more later on this afternoon or tomorrow. So bye for now. Have a great day.